Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Coleman Folding Camping Table. And one thing I like is that it comes with a carrying case. This is what you get when you remove the contents from the bag. When you unfold the tabletop, you will see that the connectors, they're all bungee style cords connecting all of the slats. On the underside, you have these holders for the frame. I'm going to tell you right now that I'm not so sure I've ever seen a table like this so easy to assemble. When you open up the frame, those two extra rods, they just pop right down there, and on the underside there's a hole, so you can't mess it up so easy. So now just put the table on top of the frame at the four corners using these. And you're done. Okay, let's do a quick size measurement just to be sure. It is 27.5 by 27.5, and it stands 27 inches tall. This Coleman camping table is going to be a perfect companion for my Coleman Triton cooking stove. Fits on there perfect, so it's going to be a great match for when I go camping. Now, I don't think this table is made to handle a full propane tank like I've got sitting on it, but as you can see, it's handling it with no problems. I won't be putting anything that heavy on it, but that kind of gives you an idea. It's a very sturdy little table.